Oh, hey, I'm just enjoying a classic Chocolac. The uniqueness of Chocolac comes from an old secret family recipe handed down generations. Well, except for my father, he doesn't know the secret family recipe, but I do. We skipped him because from a young age he microwaved spoons. He's a liability, the type of man to argue with a tennis sneaker for 2 or 3 hours non-stop. You just can't trust a man like that with a secret family recipe. Our relationship is strained. I've caught him tearing apart my house looking for the recipe. Like, why would I write that down? I've got it memorized like it's another language for me. Anyway, he watches me sleep, maybe hoping I'll accidentally mutter the secret recipe. Well, I won't. So get out of my bedroom, Dad. I'm 47 years old. I still sleep in a race car bed. I think it's because I never wanted to get into the chocolate milk business. I wanted to be Mario Andretti or Ryan Gosling's character from Drive. That's a good movie. That guy would never drink chocolate milk. He's way too cool. Anyway, Chocolac, available today at your local grocer or pharmacy.